Welcome back to our lesson. Today we are talking about enhancing YouTube live streams with graphics. Live streaming is not just about what you say, it's also about how your stream looks. A visually appealing stream captures attention and makes your content feel more professional. In this lesson, we'll explore how you can enhance your YouTube live streams with graphics. You'll learn about overlays, lower thirds, and logos, the tools you can use to design them, and how to keep your visuals consistent with your channel's brand. Good visuals help your audience recognize your content instantly and keep them engaged throughout your stream. First step is adding overlays, lower thirds, and logos. Graphics are a simple yet powerful way to make your live streams look polished. Let's start with overlays. An overlay is a visual layer that appears on top of your video. It can include borders, background designs, or even live chat frames. Overlays help organize your stream visually and make it look more dynamic. Next, lower thirds. These are text boxes that appear at the bottom of the screen, often used to display your name, guest names, or key points. Lower thirds make your stream look more professional and help viewers follow along easily. Finally, add your logo or watermark. This keeps your branding visible throughout the stream and reminds viewers who you are. You can place your logo in a corner of the screen or include it in your overlay design. When you use these elements together, your live stream starts to feel like a real production, not just a casual video call. The next step is using tools to create professional graphics. You don't need to be a designer to create great-looking graphics for your live streams. There are plenty of free and easy-to-use tools that can help. Canva is one of the most popular tools. It offers ready-made templates for overlays, lower thirds, and social media banners. You can customize colors, fonts, and layouts to match your channel's style. If you're using OBS Studio or Streamlabs for streaming, you can also find built-in templates or downloadable graphic packs online. Many of these tools allow you to drag and drop your graphics directly onto your stream scene. For more advanced designs, tools like Photoshop or After Effects give you full creative control, but they take more time to learn. Whatever tool you choose, focus on clarity and readability. Your graphics should support your content, not distract from it. Next step is maintaining brand consistency. Brand consistency is what ties all your visuals together and makes your channel look professional. Use the same color palette, fonts, and style that appear on your YouTube channel banner and thumbnails. This creates a sense of familiarity for your viewers. When people see your colors or logo, they'll immediately recognize your content. Keep your graphics simple and clean. Avoid cluttering the screen with too many elements. Your visuals should enhance your message, not compete with it. Also, be consistent with placement. If your logo appears in the bottom right corner, keep it there in every stream. Small details like this make your broadcast look polished and organized. Consistency builds trust and strengthens your identity as a creator. To conclude, enhancing your YouTube live streams with graphics is one of the easiest ways to stand out. Overlays, lower thirds, and logos make your content look professional. Creative tools help you design them easily. And brand consistency ensures that everything feels connected and recognizable. When your visuals match your message, viewers take your channel more seriously. They'll remember your name, your colors, and your style. And that's how you build a strong brand presence. So take some time to design your visuals and apply them to your next live stream. In the next video, we will talk about YouTube monetization strategies and much more. Stay connected with us. Thank you.